Hi guys, welcome back to another video with me. This is Dr. Jocelyn and Bentley, and this is another grocery haul. So as you can see from these bags here, I went to Trader Joe's, so nothing new. So I went to Trader Joe's. I'm out of breath because I just brought all of this stuff in. And then I also, I also went to Aldi's and I used my Brooklinen bag just to put my Aldi's produce in. I got all of these watermelons from Aldi's. They're like $3 and some change now. And hold on, let me turn my TV on. Take two. I got all of these watermelons from Aldi. I got 4. There's 3 right there, and then the 4th one all the way over there, right, Bentley? Because Aldi has them for $3 and some change. I think they're like $3.49 or something like that. So it started out being almost $6 for a watermelon from Trader Joe's, and then it went down to 5 something, and now I think they're $3.49 in my area. So I had to pick them up because they're really so good. Like the produce from Trader Joe's is really good. So I also, like I said, I got this bag of produce from Trader Joe's, and I mean from Aldi's, and then I got all of that from Trader Joe's, and then all of this stuff over here, I stopped at one of my local Dollar Trees and picked up some stuff from there. So let's go ahead and start unpacking, unbagging, and sorting. All right, so I got everything pretty much on the counter. Again, I'm out of breath. It is like almost 100 degrees here. And I've been running so many errands today. I went to Aldi first, then I went to UPS, then I went to, I actually went to Wawa because one of my tires was low on air the other day, and I called AAA, and the guy came out and everything was fine, but he put so much air in my tires. That one tire, I was afraid to drive on it. I didn't want to have a tire blowout or anything like that. Whoops. So I just ended up going to Wawa and taking some of the air out. And I was so proud of myself because that's something that I had never done before. So I was really proud of myself for doing that. But anyway, I'm just rambling while I was taking the groceries out of my bag. So this is everything that I got from Trader Joe's today. I got me a nice bag of avocados. I haven't had avocados in about a month, but I got this really nice bag. There's 6 avocados in here, and they were only $2.19. No, let me see. Let me make sure. Yeah, $2.19 for this entire bag, and there's 6 of them in here, and you can see they're really in great shape. They're green and they're hard, so I'll have them for a while. Then I got some grape tomatoes. I absolutely love Aldi's tomatoes. This particular brand, the Garden Ripe Super Sweet, because they are really sweet and they taste so good. So I got 2 packs of these, and these were $1.99 a pack. Then, of course, I got my romaine hearts. I got 2 packs of these, and they were $2.79 a pack. Then I got these United apples. Red Delicious. I think these are the same brand. This is the same brand that I've gotten before, and they're so good. I use these to make my drinks or my smoothies, so that's what I use those for. And these apples were, let's see, I'm looking at my receipt. Okay, Red Delicious apples, they were $3.79. And then I got my favorite salad dressing, the balsamic vinaigrette dressing. And I bought this a couple of weeks ago from Aldi, and I tried it. It was really good, and the price is really cheap. The dressings were only $1.45. So I went ahead and got 2 of those. And then, as I mentioned, I got 4 watermelons. They were priced at, watermelons, they were $3.89 a melon. And I got 4 of those babies because I love them so much. So that is all I got from Aldi. And so now let's get into the Trader Joe's bags. So we have Bentley in one of his favorite spots. He just had a snack. And I have the pantry door open because I'm putting away some things that go in the pantry. So whenever that door is open or whenever I'm in the kitchen, he thinks it's snack time, even though he literally just had a snack not even 10 minutes ago. Right, Bentley? Am I talking about you? I am. You're so sweet. So now let's take a look at what I got from Trader Joe's. And I'm, like a broken record or whatever. I like the same things. I don't mind trying new things, but I haven't really seen anything new at Trader Joe's that I want to try. Not saying that they don't have anything new, just saying I haven't seen anything that I want to try. The cashier was telling me about a new ice cream that they got, but I was already in line paying for my stuff, so I was not about to get out of line to go and try the ice cream. So I'll have to remember that the next time I'm in Trader Joe's. I don't really do a whole lot of ice cream or dairy products. I like the mochi ice creams because they're very small balls, so it's just a little bit of ice cream in those. But as far as eating like a bowl of ice cream, that's not something that I do or have done in a very long time. So, but I'm willing to try it. So I'll have to remember the next time I go to Trader Joe's to try the new ice cream. So anyway, we're done with my Aldi mini haul. Now let's take a look at the items that I picked up from Trader Joe's. So it's so hot here. I don't plan on going out too much. So I tried to buy like double of everything just so that I don't have to keep going to the grocery store as often as I go. So I got my Persian cucumbers, the mini cucumbers here. They are so delicious. And I did get 2 packs of them just so that I don't have to keep running out to get them. Normally when I do need to go and pick up a few items such as these mini cucumbers, I just go to Publix and get them because they have them there as well. Then, of course, I got my 2 favorite drinks from Trader Joe's, the Mango 100% Juice Smoothie and the Trader Joe's Very Green 100% Juice Smoothie. I usually drink one in the car on my drive back home, but the way they bagged my food, they put it at the bottom. And normally they ask if I want one of the drinks, but I was so busy talking to the cashier about the new ice cream that Trader Joe's has that I wasn't paying attention when they were bagging my drinks. Otherwise, I would have grabbed one of them. So all 6 of them made it to the house. Then I got my favorite, my tikka samosas. We were talking about these as well, and he asked if I had tried the vegetable ones, and I have. And I like the vegetable ones, but these, to me, taste much better than the vegetable ones. And so I get these instead of the vegetable ones, but I have had the vegetable ones many times. And then of course, this is one of my other staples from Trader Joe's. I absolutely love these. And there's a lot of different flavors of this as well. A lot of different ones, but I always get this one because I love this so much. Like I said, it's like I'm a broken record. I will buy and eat the same foods over and over because if it works, then why not? Then, of course, I got me some bananas from Trader Joe's, and I got some black olives, a couple of cans of black olives from them. I got another jar of the organic reduced sugar strawberry preserves. It's really good. In my last Trader Joe's video, I forgot to show you these. My dog loves these. As a matter of fact, this is what he's begging for. But like I said, he just had one. But these are the Trader Joe's chicken breast strips dog treats. And he can get maybe, at one of these, he can probably get 6 treats off it because I break them really, really small, which is why he's probably begging for another one. But anyway, I got 4 bags of those. I think they were like $3. I can't find, my Trader Joe's receipt is on the other side, so I'm not really sure of the price for those. But these are absolutely delicious according to how my dog responds. And it's just chicken. I don't know if you can see it there because of the lighting, but it says dried chicken breast fillet. So that's it. There's nothing else in these snacks. So they're quite healthy and good for him. So then, let's see what else. I did pick up a few things, excuse me, Bentley, from the Dollar Tree. I got a few more waters. As you can see, you can see the floor in my pantry. So that means that, I've been drinking the waters, but I still have quite a few waters that I don't need to go out and buy anymore. But because I was in the Dollar Tree and they had the Alkaline 9 water, I went ahead and picked up, I think, 5. I got 5 of these because that's all I saw that they had. And of course, when I got ready to leave the store, I saw more at the exit of the store, but I didn't bother to get those because I had those 5. I still have that case here that I bought maybe a month ago, and I still have all of these waters that I got from Publix a few weeks ago when they were buy one get one free. All of the other waters that I had bought from Winn-Dixie, I drank them all. As you can see, they're gone. So all of these are just the ones that I got from Publix a few weeks ago for buy one get one free. And also I want to show you what I've been doing with the pantry. I've been reorganizing it. So I bought a lot of the stackable organizers, as you can see, and right now I'm just playing around with them and trying to get things sorted. I will say that it makes it a whole lot neater in my pantry. I still have this side to work on, but it has created so much space. You can see I've got shelves over here that are practically almost empty because I've been able to just organize these. So I've got about 4 other packs of these organizers coming. Plus I still have this box of organizers here, and then these came out of another box. And I think I have 2 more being delivered today, but they're different types. There was one I had to return because it didn't have all the parts to it. And it's the one where you can put your different size drinks in it. And then as you get one, it pushes the others forward like how they are in the stores. But I had to return that today. That was one of the errands I did when I went to UPS, returning that back to Amazon because it was missing a part. So I couldn't use that. But yeah, so that's what I'm working on, organizing my refrigerator, organizing the pantry. And for me, it's all about aesthetics. I don't really need these storage organizers, but it just looks so much nicer to me and it makes things easier to get to. And again, it's all about the aesthetics. So that is my grocery haul for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. You guys be safe and yeah. Tell them bye. Bye. Say bye, Bentley. Thanks for watching.